Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can read Modbus serial device data in NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. Then after we have covered that how to read analog sensor data in NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller using the potentiometer. Okay. Now in this video we will see how to read digital input data in NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. Okay, so if you want to sense any digital signal, then how you can sense it using ESP32 based industrial controller, and then after how you can take action on it. Okay, so taking action on it, it's up to you that how you want to take action on it, but in this video specifically we will focusing on the how to read digital input data. Okay, so here on the webcam you can see I have this NORVI ESP32 based GSM industrial controller which is connected with inductive proximity sensor. Okay, and I have powered up this inductive proximity sensor using 24 volt DC power supply. So here you can see the connector. Okay, now this blue cable is the common cable which is connected with the common. Okay, so here you can see the first connector is the common connector. Okay, the black cable or the second connector is the signal cable. Okay, so whenever I place my screwdriver here, you can see the red LED is getting turned on. Okay, so it is sensing this screwdriver because it's an inductive proximity sensor. So we want to read this signal here. Okay, now the black cable is the signal cable, the blue cable is the common cable, and this brown cable is the positive. Okay, so here I have connected this brown cable to this positive, the blue cable is the common, okay, and the black cable is the signal cable which is connected with the input 1, which is our 27 pin number, I guess. Just a moment. Yeah, it's a 27 pin number. Okay, and once we put our screwdriver here, you can see it is sensing the screwdriver and we want to read this input in this controller. Then how we can do that using Arduino IDE. So here is the entire code for this. It's a very basic code. Okay, it's not a complicated code, so you can understand this. Now we will connect our board with our system using micro USB cable. Okay, I have connected the board and here you can see the power LED. So our board is on, or you can say our controller is turned on. Now we will select board as ESP32 development board. Okay, ESP32 dev module, the COM port 4, and then we'll press OK. Then after we'll upload this sketch into our NORVI GSM controller. Okay, we have successfully uploaded. Now we will open the serial monitor. Okay, right now you can see the value is 0 because we haven't placed our screwdriver near to this inductive proximity sensor. Once I place my screwdriver near to the inductive proximity sensor, you can see it is sensing. Okay, and it will giving us the output 1 because it's a high. So it has sensed something and the input is 1, digital input is 1. So that's why you will see 1 here. If I remove, then you can see the value is 0. So there is no signal, no digital input. Okay, if I put it again, then you can see 1. So there is some signal. Okay, so this is how you can use your industrial equipments with this ESP32 based industrial controller. Okay, so you can provide digital input using this kind of inductive proximity sensor or capacitive sensor or any other sensor, and it can detect that digital input. And then after, if you want to send or initiate some SMS, if you want to send data to MQTT broker, if you want to turn on any output based on the digital input, then also you can do that. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear and wiring is also clear. So in inductive proximity sensor you will have 3 wires, brown, blue and black. So brown is the positive, black is the signal, and the blue is the common wire. So here in the common you have to connect the blue cable, and in the signal you have to connect the black cable. Okay, and here is your positive cable which is connected with the 24 volt power supply. Okay, and once I place my screwdriver here, you can see this LED is glowing. Okay, so it is sensing something, and here we have the output of 1. Okay, so this is how you can use digital input with this NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. If you have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And I have provided this code on our GitHub repository. Okay, so you can navigate to this link and you can get this code. I will also provide this link in the description of this video, so you can directly download and directly use this code. Okay, so let's meet in the future video regarding more videos on this ESP32 based industrial controller from NORVI. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.